Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about quinoa, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with quinoa. So if you're wondering what to do with it, something a little bit different, looking for ideas, hopefully this will help. I've got it broken up into different categories to try to help you out. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, almonds go well with quinoa, as do beans, beef, chicken, eggs, nuts in general, shrimp, and even turkey. In the way of vegetables, there's arugula, beets, bell peppers, carrots, celery, chard like Swiss chard, chilies, chives, cucumbers, endive, greens like beet greens, collard greens, turnip greens, etc., kale, mushrooms, onions, scallions, spinach, squash, as in winter squash, and even summer squash will work, tomatoes, and zucchini. In the way of fruits, avocados go well, citrus fruits of all types, dried fruits, pineapple, and pomegranate seeds. In the way of grains and grain products, corn goes well with quinoa, as do grains in general, especially those with mild flavors. Now, we do treat quinoa as a grain, but it's actually a seed. In the way of dairy foods and non-dairy products, we've got almond milk and cheese, especially feta cheese, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's oil, especially olive oil, stock like mushroom or vegetable stock or broth, and vinegar. Well, I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.